Hey guys, it's Colin Evans from the Asset Finance Shop, and today we're going to talk about used equipment. Not everybody that's buying used equipment is doing it to save money. Sometimes they know the history on the asset, they're buying it from a family friend or someone that they've contracted for. They understand the history of the equipment and they know they're getting the right deal. Let's think about it. Sometimes when you're buying used gear, the things that really matter are the service history, the hours, and who's actually used it, and also the jobs that it's done in the past. Normally you're trying to put that together off logbooks or service history, or just to chat with the person who's selling it that you might not know. So if you're buying off somebody you already know the history of the machine. You know it hasn't just been patched up to move along, you know if it's done the easy jobs, or if it's, been worked pretty hard. That way, the price that you're paying is going to reflect the best use of the machine. That's the real history, not a service sticker, or a story from the yard, or some guy who's been on Facebook Marketplace. And here's the part that people don't often talk about. Lenders don't look at that automatically. We have to explain it to them. Banks and financiers look at new equipment very differently to used. They know the machine's brand new and it's most likely going to have less issues. But since we have good relationships with the lenders, we know how to explain this to them and make sure that the machine that you're buying for the right price is the one that you end up with. What happens with small businesses is that they go to the bank and the lender has no confidence and they just see a used or private sale machine and they end up having to buy a new one. And that's where the real work happens on our end. We give the lenders confidence and understanding so they understand your point of view, why you want to buy the machine, and we can get it approved first time. So if you're looking to buy a used piece of equipment that you know the backstory of, reach out to us at the Asset Finance Shop today. We can take you through a full fact find and find out everything about the deal. We'll package it up correctly and make sure the lender sees your point of view. As long as you're comfortable with the work history from the machine, we can package it up and make sure that the lender is too. Reach out today.